Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fitness Club. Today I am going to tell you about the top 3 best Underdesk ellipticals. So let's start it. The first is Sunny Health and Fitness fully assembled magnetic Underdesk elliptical Peddler. Track time, speed, calories and distance using the centrally located digital monitor, or choose the scan function to scroll through all variables while you work out. Choose between 8 level magnetic resisting using the tension knob to provide increased level of intensity to your workout as you build muscular endurance. A centrally located transportation handle allows you to move your elliptical with the ease. The second is Sunny Health and Fitness magnetic Underdesk standing portable elliptical machine. This machine requires no assembly, so you can jump straight to your workout. Control your workout intensity with the easy-to-use resistance dial. Cycle through 8 levels of easy when you want it, and hard when you need it. Track your speed, time, distance and calories burned on the digital monitor. The large number on the display make it easy to read while standing or sitting. Mix up your workout when you paddle backward and forward to test your balance, develop your lower body and stimulate your neuromuscular system in a brand new way. The third is Sunny Health and Fitness magnetic mini exercise bike with a digital monitor and 8 level resistance. This Underdesk bike is a great way to incorporate lower body movement without putting pressure on joint. Enjoy a 7-inch stride while you are steady. The build drive machine and the 3.52 lb flywheel make each stride simple, measuring 20.5 inches long and 10.5 inches tall. This Underdesk elliptical is easy to store under desk. 8 level of magnetic tension, each level make it progressively harder to complete a stride, thus burning more calories. Use the integrated hard grip to pick up the machine for on-the-go workout. If you want to buy this product, click the link in the video description. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.